Now the topic is release means different kinds of tablet. Different kinds of tablet. Immediate release tablets, extended or sorry, enteric coated tablets. Next, controlled release, delayed release, and pulsatile release of tablet. So what is the major difference among all these means? First we need to draw a graph. This is the graph in order to interpret the best result. Then I have taken the plasma concentration on the y-axis. Plasma concentration I need to take. Time, 1 day I need to take. See, 0 to 24 hours. 1 day. Time limit is 1 day. Then you can collect the plasma concentration of drug. Then the graphs for the different release dosage forms are like this. So what are the major points we need to conclude from this graph means? First one is, try to see what are the starting when minimum effective concentration, maximum effective concentration. If a drug need to show action means at least the minimum effective concentration of the drug is needed in order to show a action, in order to show a response. So always try to see whatever the initial lines are there. This for this here, for this also here, for this initial lines of this initial lines we can call as a onset of action. Just for example, you can consider this is a graph. This point we can call as a onset of action. This point we can call as a onset of action. Then this point from starting of minimum effective concentration to ending of minimum effective concentration we can call as a duration of action. First line, this we can call as the onset of action. This time period we can call as a duration of action of a drug. Then first we need to compare for immediate release tablet. How it is means the onset of action is immediate. See, immediate means among all these things, this one having immediate release of drug. That's why having immediate onset of action. Immediate onset of action compared to this delayed release. Next, duration of action. See, this blue line started from here and ended here. Then the time period between these two blue lines we can call as a duration of action. Next one is side effect. See, dose dependent side effects. We can call it as a dose dependent side effects. How they will produce means when they will increase the concentration of drug more than maximum safe concentration. If any drug concentration reaches to this line, we can call it a maximum safe concentration. Above this line, all the drugs will show dose dependent side effect. All the other drugs will show dose dependent side effects. This crossing of these lines, side effects. Starting lines, onset of action. In between two lines, duration of action. And dose means, see, when I have taken the tablet now here, then it show the duration of action up to this immediate release tablet. Again I need to take another tablet. First tablet, try to observe. First tablet I have taken, second tablet I have taken here. Then again when I have taken the second tablet, again the concentration of drug will rise like this. Again it will come here. Again I need to take third tablet. Then completion of 24 hours. For 24 hours, how many tablets I need to take means three times, morning, afternoon and evening. See, Morning I have taken, then in the afternoon here, then again the concentration will rise, then it will comes, then again the third tablet when you will take, the concentration again rise, then the action will be like that. See now what's happening is, see whatever the tablet, the immediate release tablet, the immediate release tablet, what will be there means the onset of action is quick, duration of action is this one, the duration of action is this one, and this immediate release tablet showing side effects, dose dependent side effects. See, due to the crossing of this maximum safe concentration, this will show dose dependent side effects. Next one is enteric coated immediate release. Enteric coated immediate release we can call it as a delayed release. Enteric coated immediate release we can call it as a delayed release. Enteric coated, the tablet should be released in the intestine. So in order to release the tablet in the intestine, it will be remains up to 2 hours. Up to 2 hours. See, up to 2 hours. See here. Up to 2 hours there is no release of, see, there is no release of drug. After 2 hours means the tablet enter. When you will take the tablet, it will remain in the stomach. The tablet will not release up to what extent the tablet will be present in the stomach. After 2 hours, the tablet will enter into the intestine. Then it will release the drug. Then we can call it enteric coated. Enteric coated polymers we are using. Hence, we are delaying the release. See, immediate release means that drug will be released at first hour. The tablet need to release. In the stomach the tablet need to release, and at first hour means what, at the 1 hour the tablet need to release. But when you will coat the tablet with enteric coated polymers, then the tablet release in the intestine. In order to reach the tablet into the intestine, how many times it will take? 2 hours. This is the 2 hours. Then after 2 hours the tablet will release. Then it will show same like side effect is there. This is the duration of action. Okay. This is the onset of action of this immediate enteric coated immediate release. This is the onset of action. This is the duration of action. This also shows dose dependent side effects. Because these are crossing maximum safe concentration. So when compared to immediate release, the dose will reduce. See, just one drug here. Another dose means the 24 hours will complete. This is delayed release. In the delayed release, two types are there. Enteric coated immediate release, enteric coated controlled release. We can discuss now. So now we can see sustained or prolonged release. This having same sustained release or prolonged release having same onset of action as that of immediate release tablet, but the duration of action, see, for immediate release tablet the duration of action is this, but for sustained release tablet the duration of action is, see, this starting point to the ending point here. We can call as sustained release. Or prolonged release. This having, see, the onset of action is same as that of immediate release, but the duration of action is more compared to immediate release tablet. But this do not showing dose dependent side effects. See, this is not showing dose dependent side effects because this concentration is not more than maximum safe concentration. So this is about sustained release or immediate release. Next one is controlled release. Controlled release having same onset of action as that of immediate release tablet, but the duration of action, see, this will work more than 1 day, 2 or 3 days. See, the duration of action is more. The duration of action is more for controlled release. See, this is the onset of action, starting point, onset of action. The duration of action, still the drug concentration, more drug concentration, minimum effective drug concentration is there. After completion of, see, after completion of 24 hours, 1 day, still the drug concentration is there. Minimum effective drug concentration is there for controlled release. Then enteric coated controlled release. Enteric coated controlled release. Just nothing but enteric coated, nothing but after 2 hours the drug will release. See, enteric coated immediate release means the drug will release after 2 hours. Enteric coated controlled release means the drug will release after 2 hours only. But the concentration, see, this is here, the onset of action is
నాకు చెప్పన్నా నా లేదనా పీడిఎఫ్ కూడా లేదన్నా, పీడిఎఫ్ కూడా లేదు. ఏమన్నా కనుక్కుంటాలే, ఇవి పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏమైనా ఉంటే కనుక్కుంటాలేనా. ఓకేనా.